Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. As y'all can see, I am looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. Look how silky smooth this wig is. I'm about to shake it and you will see. Look at that, ne? This is a Luvme Hair brown highlighted wig, and I am blown away by the quality of this wig. It is super lightweight, super silky, super soft. I am amazed, you guys. Like, it is it is beautiful. And guess what, guys? This wig literally came like this. Like, the only thing that I did was just to straighten it just a little bit. Just a little bit. But you know what? The movement is there. These highlights. Guys, I get it. You guys can see, ne? Like, you can see, ne? Look. Luvme Hair. Let's get straight into today's video because wow, this is beautiful.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss.
So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their gorgeous box. It is purple and silver with a little bow as usual. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the nice goodies that they were kind enough to send me. This wig storage bag, HD wig cap, a wig band to lay your edges. So this is the star of the show. This is how she's looking. She's got brown highlights. Okay, look at that. She's gorgeous, I'm telling you. So let me just show you. Oh, silk. She is so silky, it is not even funny. Oh, she's beautiful. This is a Glueless 13x4 with a bigger parting space. This wig is pre-cut. As y'all can see, the knots are pre-bleached. Okay, this is very soft. I think y'all can see this is so soft. The lace is super soft, and this wig has 4 combs, one in the middle, 2 on the side, and of course one right here at the back. It has this adjustable band, and of course it also has 2 adjustable belts as well. Guys, this wig is super soft, super silky. You can see it is bouncing. This is straight out of the box, as y'all can see. Look at the brown highlights, guys. They are so nice. I am in love with this wig. Look at that. Look at that. This is a beautiful, beautiful wig. Ha!
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
Wow. Oh, this hair is so smooth. Yo. Guys, do you see that shine?
I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel.
Wow. This is so silky. Guys, look, when I am, just barely moving, but the wig is moving. Yo, I am so happy. I am really happy. Like, it goes back to normal. It is moving, guys. Look. Love me hair. This wig is moving like nobody's business. Look, like I cannot even, it is so soft, I can't even stop touching it. Like it goes back to normal. Whatever that I do to it, it goes back to normal. Wow. Wow, I'm really impressed. I'm absolutely gorgeous. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.